Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V and I'm going to enable the needle sweep, the welcome ceremony, the display test, call it however you want it. And I'm going to need diagnostic interface. I'm going to use OBDeleven. The device is connected to the OBD2 port and the application is already running and connected with the vehicle. So right now I'm going to enter a list of all modules. Scroll to the module 17, which is the dashboard, the instrument cluster, and over here we are going to enter the long coding option, and we are looking for option called staging. It's right here, staging, set to no, so let's switch it to yes. And right now let's save the new function, and we cannot save it because the RPMs are too high. This means that this cannot be done if the engine is running. So let's switch it off. Without the brake pedal, let's press the start stop button once again. So right now we have ignition on and a lot of noises and warnings over here. And right now let's try again. It was done. So right now we can once again turn the ignition off, and when I turn it back on, yes, we have the staging, the welcome ceremony over here, the needle sweep active. Sorry for all the beeps, sounds, warnings and confirmations that are over here trying to mess with me. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find more information about this procedure. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.